Ah! Hey, what if I... Yeah. There's gonna be some twats over there, aren't there? Oh, there's something over there. Is it dead? It is. It's a... Oh! We got a remote thingy. Anyway. No! Ah! No. Oh, loading again. Let's go backwards some more.
No, this is really fast. Wait.
Ah! Ho ho ho! Detour! Detour, it's also a shortcut. A dangerous one. It's okay. Taking a little. Ow!
Power 25%.
Oh, really? Hup. Ah, it didn't hurt me. Wait, there's a ladder. Is there something down here? Certainly bloody is. Bloody hell. Hey, they can't pick you up out of the water. Bet they can in Half-Life 2. Ah. Let's go. No, it's gonna... Oh, I dodged. Gordon Freeman used evade. Yes, evade. As in dodge. Go, come on. No. No. It's 48% actually. Stop saying that. Why? It's been ages since I've said it. Oh! They made boxes move. Watch, the boxes are gonna move. Boing! Oh. Thanks. Let's take care of that. Oh. It fell in the water. What did that do? It moved something. Why? So that we can get past it. No. Ah. Ah. Yeah. Skills. No, no, no. We want to go. We want to go that way. Thanks, thanks. No, nothing here. And we're off. Oh, loading. The end. Oh, wait. Ha, you're dead. Bye. Bye. Do you mind? Do you quite mind? Oh. Do you quite mind? If not, then you should. Is that train going to go away without me? Ha! Now it isn't. It ain't going anywhere. Oh, that does it. Haha! Idiots. They should try not falling through the floor. What the hell? Bloody broken. Oh, so is that. Oh well. Yeah. Delayed reaction there from the wood. Oh! This game's hard. I'm going down for some more healthage. Is that it? Thanks. No! Bastard! That does it. I'm getting off to explore a bit. Like over here. I remember this bit. Where? Ha. Do you like this gun? I do. Why doesn't he use the big machine gun? 'Cause he's an idiot. Whatever. Great, I'm gonna get killed by a head crab. Not anymore. Oh! Bloody hell. Gordon Freeman is walking like a drunk. You know what? Twat. He's not even dead! Did that kill him? Yeah. Now he's just guts on the floor. Oh wait, I didn't kill them yet. Run! Now then. Now we've got it going. Fall over. Before I... How did they become the good guys in Half-Life 2? It's weird. It's like the aliens sided with the humans to bring down the Combine. I don't even know the story of Half-Life 2 that well, really. I don't know what's going on. All I know is this is a freaking awesome game, and that's all that matters to me. Save it. Haha! It looks like they peed. Oh, I did kill them. Yeah, we got loads of health this time and also loads of armour. Now we're going somewhere. Going up. Hey look, I can just... Whoa. Can you get out of the way, please? Ah! Oh, wait. There's people here. Aren't there? Not anymore. I killed them all. No, I didn't. Oh! Yep, that was fun. I'm not going to pick up a health kit just for 1 health. What's the point of this? There isn't one. I'm doing it again. What an idiot, what an idiot. And you. I've got a revolver. Don't show your face. Yep. We get plenty of ammo in this game. No! Where would you come from? No! Blew himself up. Where did he come from? Diddy Kong.